Welcome to Simple Mind Space, the podcast where we delve into the exciting world of personal finance, financial freedom, and unlocking your full potential. Today, we're going on a journey to demystify the often intimidating world of investing, especially for those just starting out. Get ready to ditch the fear, embrace the possibilities, and take control of your financial future. So you've got a bit of money saved up. Congratulations on taking that first step. It might not be enough for a down payment on a house just yet, but it's time to make that money work harder for you. That's where investing comes in. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Investing? Isn't that just for Wall Street hotshots and financial gurus? Absolutely not. Investing is for everyone, and the earlier you start, the better. Think of it this way. You've worked hard for your money, right? Investing is simply the process of putting that money to work for you, generating even more money over time. It's like having a silent partner who's constantly growing your wealth. There's a whole universe of investment options out there. Stocks, bonds, real estate, crypto, even fine art and watches. It's easy to get overwhelmed, especially with all the flashy ads promising overnight riches. Let's cut through the noise and focus on what really matters, especially for beginners like yourself. Understanding the why and how of investing. At its core, investing is about buying something today with the expectation that it will be worth more tomorrow. It's about putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time, outpacing inflation and securing your financial future. Think about a house. You buy it at a certain price, and over time, that price generally increases. You're also able to generate rental income, creating a steady stream of passive income. While most investments don't offer that same rental income aspect, the principle remains the same. You're aiming for long-term growth. Stocks and shares, your gateway to investing. For most beginners, the stock market is the perfect place to start. It's accessible, doesn't require a fortune to get started, and offers immense potential for growth. When you buy a share of a company's stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of that company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares increases, and so does your wealth. Think of it like this. Imagine buying a tiny sliver of your favorite bakery when it first opened. As the bakery gains popularity, expands to new locations, and sees its profits soar, the value of your initial investment would skyrocket. That's the power of investing in stocks. Navigating the market, index funds to the rescue. Now, trying to pick individual stocks as a beginner is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. It's time-consuming, risky, and requires a level of expertise that most beginners simply don't have. That's where index funds come in. These are like diversified baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Think of the S&P 500 as a VIP club for the 500 biggest and most successful companies in the US. When you invest in an S&P 500 index fund, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of all 500 companies with a single investment. This diversification spreads your risk and gives you exposure to a wide range of industries and sectors. Instead of trying to outsmart the market by picking individual stocks, you're betting on the overall growth of the US economy. As the saying goes, a rising tide lifts all boats. Confronting your investing fears. Let's address the elephant in the room, the fear of losing money. It's natural, but it shouldn't paralyze you. Remember the stock market roller coaster? Prices go up, prices go down. That's normal. The key is to stay focused on the long term. Just like you wouldn't sell your house at the first sign of a dip in the housing market, don't panic and sell your investments when the stock market experiences a temporary downturn. Over the long term, the stock market has consistently trended upwards. By staying invested, riding out the dips, and letting the power of compound interest work its magic, you're setting yourself up for success. Fastlane investing, investing in yourself. While index fund investing is a fantastic long-term strategy, let's not forget about the most powerful asset you have, yourself. Investing in your education, skills, and ability to earn more is like investing in a high-growth stock that pays dividends for life. Consider this. Imagine spending a few $100s on a course that teaches you a high-demand skill like web development or digital marketing. With your newfound skills, you could land a higher-paying job, start a freelance side hustle, or even launch your own online business. That initial investment has the potential to generate a phenomenal return. The power of building your own empire. The ultimate fast lane to wealth creation, building your own business. While it requires hard work, dedication, and a healthy dose of risk-taking, the rewards can be life-changing. Instead of making someone else rich by working for them, you're building an asset that you own and control. You're creating something valuable, solving problems for others, and reaping the financial rewards of your hard work. Key takeaways for your investing journey. Here are a few key takeaways to remember as you embark on your investing journey. Start early and be consistent. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Invest in what you understand. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes or invest in things you don't understand. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk by investing in a variety of assets. Think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't panic and sell your investments at the first sign of a downturn. Invest in yourself. Your skills and knowledge are your most valuable assets. Remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated. By starting small, staying consistent, and continually learning and growing, you can achieve your financial goals and build the future you deserve. Thanks for tuning in to Simple Mind Space. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. Let's all strive for financial freedom together. Until next time, keep those minds sharp and those finances flourishing.